It all comes down to this as the number 1 seeded Marin Catholic Wildcats take on the number 2 seed Acalanes in the NCS Lacrosse title game. Acalanes here on the board. Sam DEROQUE sweeps around the goal with a nice assist to Peter Mitchell, who slips this one in. A nice shot there. Marin Catholic answering as HAYDEN HOLLAND crosses one over to Chris Hill, who bounces it past the keeper for the goal. Marin Catholic leading 7-6 at the end of the half. But the Acalanes Dons coming on strong in the second half. Top scorer WESLEY GREASON with a nice juke to get one behind the keeper. The score was tied at 8-all going into the fourth quarter. But the Wildcats keeper is not going to let him off that easy. Shane KUNST saves a tough Acalanes shot here. He had a whopping 14 saves in this game. Late in the fourth now, scores still tied. The Dons' Marin making a great defensive play to force the turnover. GREASON with the ball, finding BRICKMAN, who fakes out the keeper. It's an amazing goal to take the lead. Marin Catholic with one last push down at their side, but it's not enough as time expires right there. A nice save. And Acalanes wins it in a thriller. 9-8 was the final score, and let the celebration begin. There's the dog pile for the Dons, and they're very excited. The Dons win it 9-8. GREASON and Mitchell leading the way for Acalanes.